For today's video, we have 3 of the hottest play-to-earn NFT games that are still in early development phase, and one of those is so good that people call it the first AAA game on the blockchain. It is Meta DeeJay, your favorite 36-year-old babyface from the internet, and we are diving straight into the list with our first game, Legends of Bezogia. The Legends of Bezogia is a massive open-world sandbox game where players can explore the world filled with interesting characters, deep immersive lore, and wonderfully expansive landscapes. Gamers can create their own Bezogia characters, purchase an in-game playable NFT characters, or rent someone else's NFT character to enjoy the game's rich content. Play-to-earn crypto games have typically had a higher barrier to entry, both in terms of cost and knowledge required to play the top crypto games. With the metaverse constantly developing on daily basis, the Legends of Bezogia aims to attract gamers from all walks of the life, regardless if they have any prior knowledge of cryptocurrencies, crypto tokens, or NFT crypto games in general. But did you know that Legends of Bezogia actually doesn't require a wallet? While the use of the wallet is present within the game and can provide players with cosmetic options and small various boosts, it is not essential to fully enjoy the game's content. The crypto tokens used within Bezogia are magical blocks, MBLK, and Bezoj Earth, Bezoj, and players can spend them in the game if they wish to take the part in that side of the game. Legends of Bezogia can be played on both PC and smartphones, where users can log in into their character from multiple devices and jump right back into the game where they left off. With its unique learning and earning scheme, the first crypto game for non-crypto people gives players the chance to learn about crypto via tips, quests, and in-game events, and then use that knowledge to their advantage by using their crypto assets in-game to trade, purchase NFTs, and more. Right now, you can go to their website, link in the description, and sign up to become an alpha tester for Legends of Bezogia. On the spot number 2 on our list, we have A Faraway Realm. A Faraway Realm, or AFAR for short, is a web NFT play-to-earn blockchain game built on Ethereum. It is a PvP racing shooter and a galactical tournament where you, as a hero, compete with the other players in a hilarious run to the finish line, and the finish line is a spaceship that's leaving for the next planet. Collect points, shoot, avoid traps throughout the multiple rounds with increasing stakes while growing your reputation and making friends. An important thing to point out is that you need to have an NFT to play this game that has many choices to crave your own world, but there are no pay-to-win advantages that you can get in this game. Basically, as you progress in AFAR, your experience and levels grow, and with that in mind, your warrior's reputation will unlock additional perks over the time. AFAR's mission is to simplify blockchain games throughout the fun in-game features for players leaning towards more traditional video game players while still appealing to the new blockchain gamers. Token will be the basis of the single token model for the governance in the AFAR metaverse. It is an ERC20 token with a total supply of 1 billion. Use cases of the token are following: staking to vote on the key governance decisions for the social hub and treasury management. Also, it may be used for building, upgrading, opening eggs, and purchasing seasonal passes. From 1 billion tokens as a total supply, the initial circulating supply will be 179.5 million of tokens. AFAR has different elements such as PvP game, mini game, spaceship games, and social hub. Social hub is a place where players can relax, hang out with their friends and other players, or take part in the mini games and show off their special items. Leaving the best for the end, the AAA title from this list, the Star Atlas. Probably the most anticipated and hyped crypto game in the recent years, Star Atlas is a virtual gaming metaverse based in the year of 2620. Star Atlas is a grand strategy exploration roleplay game and a space flight simulator. The metaverse introduces a unique gaming experience throughout the combination of the both traditional core game and the blockchain mechanism. It has 2 in-game currencies called Atlas and Polis. There are a lot of gameplay pillars for this game, which makes it so much more immersive and promising. Faction security zones. Three major factions have emerged: the Mud, the Oni, and Ustur. New players can choose a faction and start in a faction-secured safe zone. Deep space exploration. All visible stars are real estate and can be visited. But keep in mind, some of the distant stars can be prohibitively distant and will require proper fueling to reach. Combat. Ships are outfitted with the weapon turrets and missile base. Turrets can be energy, ballistic, or disruptive type to target the different components of the enemy ships and installations. Turrets are powered by a power supply and protected by shields and hull. Station model construction. Space stations have the installations, but with the major enhancements in the forms of decks. Each deck enhances the functionality of the space station and unlocks the associated feature that players engage within that local station. Crew and ship components. All ships contain components and crew members that enhance the feature and the stats of the ship. Crew members that train together in the university or previously on the ship will buff each other when placed on the same ship's crew. Professions. Players can earn in-game by having the correct ships, crew, and components for their desired roles. Example of some of the roles are transport, rescue, freight, repair, and others. Decentralized autonomous corporations. Throughout the implementation of Decentralized Autonomous Corporations, or DAC for short, entire space cities can be constructed and the microeconomy managed by those in charge. The Polis token will serve a pivotal role in these cities, permitting the owner of political clout to impose taxes, fees, fines, rules, and laws on those outside the DAC wishing to gain access to these entirely independently owned cities. Where many game developers opt to monopolize assets, ownership, and the distribution throughout the restrictions on reselling, Star Atlas fully embraces the potential of decentralized, self-sovereign ownership of the assets permitted throughout the implementation of the blockchain into the assets ownership and the NFT marketplace. Definitely, it looks promising on the paper, but we are yet to see how everything plays out for the Star Atlas. Wrapping up the video, today we covered the 3 of the hottest NFT play-to-earn projects that are still in the development. This was a quick rundown, but Star Atlas definitely looks like a real AAA game title. Would you like to see a separate in-depth review of the Star Atlas maybe? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to never miss out on the latest and greatest of all crypto things. I'm DeeJay, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.